Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, peace be upon you, my student. How are you today? I'm good. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Thank you, Allah. Okay. So, how was your last assignments? I wish that all of you has been finished, right? Whoever didn't finish it, please do it by yourself and submit it on group, okay? I wish all of you good in understanding, okay? So, for today, we're going to study about pronouncing, okay? About pronouncing here, which means the word that you pronounce, okay, the syllables, first syllable, second syllable. Here is second syllable, first and second, okay. Now you're going to study about sp and sk, but here I'm going to teach you sk, okay. Here I'm going to teach you step one, okay, sk. How to become sk? Look at here. Actually S plus C plus C k sk, okay, become sk, okay, become sk sound. Now is sk sound, okay. So look. This is the short sentence, short the story about the sk sounds. Okay, so listen carefully and make it understand. Okay, number one. Scarabs call it make a cease. Scarabs call it make a cease. Scarabs call it make a cease. By shouting science scam. By shouting science scam. Okay? By shouting science scam. A policeman scolded her. A policeman scolded her. A policeman scolded her. Okay? The last one. But she screams and scared him away. But she screams and scared him away. But she screamed and scared him away. So look, I'm going to read it fast. Okay? Scared is called it make a cease. Scared is called it make a scene. Okay? By shooting science scam. A policeman scolded her. But she screamed and scared him away. Okay, so look, we can focus about the word of the first syllable and second syllable is that and scared. Okay, look here. Here is this one. Okay, now you have to look at here. Scary, call it and scenes, no shouting signs, scam, scold, scream, scare. So look here. Now you got the word right. You got the word sk sounds. You're going to circle about this word. Okay, sk sound. What is that? This one, right? Scare and scold it. Then scenes and then signs. Scam. The next scold it. The next one screams. Then scare. Okay, how many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Scare sound. Right. and then you circle. Okay? Understand? Okay, the next part of sp sound. Now look at here. This is the pronouncing sp sound. Okay? Sp sound. Before we study sk sound. Now it's sp sound. Okay? Sp sound. How they come? Okay, look. Z plus p become sp. Okay, becomes sp sound. Okay, so here is the 12th sentence again order. Paragraph that I give you. Okay, now I'm going to read and listen carefully my class. So look. Step 1, number 1. Spencer's the Spanish is a spy. Spencer's the Spanish is a spy. Spencer's the Spanish is a spy. Who feeds spaghetti to spider? Who feeds spaghetti to spider? Who feeds spaghetti to spider? Who bought a spacecraft Colin Sparrow? Who bought a spacecraft Colin Sparrow? Who bought a spacecraft Colin Sparrow? Which flew into the space and never came back? Which flew into the space and never came back? Which flew into the space and never came back. Okay, this is the sp sound. Now I'm going to read a bit fast. Okay, so Spencer the Spanish is a spy who feeds spaghetti to spider. Who bought a spacecraft called Sparrow, which flew into the space and never came back. Okay, so here is the word sp. Okay, look here. When you find the word sp, make it underline first. Okay, how many in one sentence? 1, 2, 3. And number 2, spaghetti. Okay, in Thai language. And spider, spacecraft, and spiral, and then space. No, how many? And then when we find, we underline already. We circle. 1, 2, 3. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7, right? And 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 again, right? Yeah, before is 8, right? Now is 8 also. Take that, take it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now you are here. 8 sp sound. Okay, 8 sp sound. So this is the sk and sp sound that we study in English, because of when we know about the first syllable, how it sound going, the second syllable, how it sound word or occurs in the one word, so we can read it in fluent. Okay, so I wish that all of you understand, right? Alhamdulillah, MashaAllah. If you not understand, ask me, okay? Anyway, the class finishes today. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again. Bye bye.